Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Behind me is this rather tasty Bentley Azure Mulliner Edition. This thing has only got 15,000 miles on. Pretty sure it's about a 2003 year, so it's safe to say it's been well looked after and not driven a hell of a lot. The customer decided to bring it out now, hence why it's covered in rain, because it is actually going to be used. And he wants some kind of upgraded infotainment system. Basically, he wants the basics, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB radio, but at the same time, fairly subtle. So we've gone with what we think is the best option, which is the Pioneer flip-out motorised screen. When it's out, you obviously get a big 7-inch screen showing you the Apple CarPlay screen and sat-nav and that, but if you just push the fold-away screen button, the screen will actually neatly motorise away and hide into its little housing there. We've changed the colours to like a teal colour, because that is the illumination of all the dials on the dash, so at least at night time when the screen's away, it will still look fairly original. Obviously it's going to look a bit different. It is a modern stereo in an older car. However, we just think it's the best of the situation. It's a good compromise, because when it's away, if you have navigation voice speaking, you still can actually hear navigation voice. You can still turn volume up and down. You can still skip tracks. You can still use voice activation a lot. When it's out, which is probably what you're going to want to see, let's get it out and show you the basics. Now, in the center console, what we've done is we've run a customer an iPhone USB-C lead, which goes straight into the back of the Pioneer for wired Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. We've also installed a fast charging USB-C and USB-A connection, which is where the old phone cradle used to be, just meaning we reutilised this position where the cradle is for something more modern, so he's now got a fast charger in there as well. So what you can do, let me just plug my phone actually in, just like so, and I'm just going to drop my phone into the void down there, the abyss, and Apple CarPlay is going to boot straight up, my music's going to start playing. I'll unlock my phone to start CarPlay, of course you would say that. Hang on. Now once I've unlocked it, it won't ask me to do that again. Customer has now got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on the screen. So I can actually go into my Apple CarPlay and I can scroll to the left and I can go to Google Maps, Apple Maps, and music apps like Tidal, YouTube Music, Deezer, Waze, you know, all the internet radio apps. The customer has also got DAB radio, which we're actually using the factory motorised electric aerial for DAB on this, because you can on the Bentleys, which is really nice. So no visible aerial on the windscreen, which you don't want on such a tasty car. I push the home button, we can then go to DAB on the screen like this. Customer's now got access to radio 2 and the like. All your presets on the left. You can go into your full listing here, and now the customer's got full listing of all DAB channels they can get right now. Very easy to use the Pioneer Z7200. It is slightly older tech compared to some of the more modern 9-inch floating screens, but that's not going to be compatible on a car like this, so this is the right solution for a vehicle like this. Still got a CD and DVD player if you want it as well, if you still play CDs. Otherwise, you turn the key off, that screen is automatically going to close just like that, meaning when you leave the car, at least it still keeps some of the authenticity of the Bentley. But it's fully reversible, should you wish to. Now, I wouldn't suggest taking on a reversing job on this, only because when these cars are done, the amount of Alpine gear that's fitted from factory is humongous. It's actually a big job fitting one of these in this car. It took a couple of days, maybe even longer to do it, because all the Alpine factory fitted gear in this particular Mulliner edition was all fitted at the dealership, which we had to take out fully, as the client requested, and then fit this in there. If you wanted it to be reversible, we would just do the removal a little bit differently. We'd actually leave all the old stuff in here and actually just have the Pioneer fitted in position, so that way it's easier at a later date. This one isn't going to be easy, but that's the customer's request. This is a Bentley Mulliner Azure Edition with a Pioneer flip-out Z7200. Customer's now got Apple CarPlay. We'll see you soon.